Welcome to the True Lesson. Hey guys, let's solve our next question, means question number 5 from exercise 8.1. Let's see the question first. Our question is sec theta equals to 13/12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So let's start it. What is given here? Sec theta 13/12. So given is sec theta equals to 13/12. And they are asking for all other trigonometric ratios, means what? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and their reciprocals. Reciprocal of sin is cosec theta. Sec theta is given in the question, and reciprocal of tan is cot theta. Okay, so let's calculate it. To solve this, first of all, let's draw the right triangle. Triangle ABC. Right angle at vertex B. In our previous questions, what was the restriction? Sin A, sec A, cot A or tan C. Angles are given, means one of the acute angle is given for which we can study the trigonometric ratios. But here in our question, theta, angle theta is given. So any of the acute angle we can use. Okay, means we have two acute angles, no, angle A and angle C, but we can take any of it. So we are taking angle C as theta. Got it, no? Means if angle sin A, sec A, tan A is given, then there is a restriction. We have to take only angle A. But if they are giving theta, then we can take either A as theta or C as theta. So we are taking C as theta. Okay, it will become simple to decide perpendicular base and hypotenuse in this case. How? And side opposite to theta is perpendicular, means AB will be a perpendicular. Side adjacent to angle theta is a base, means BC is a base. And hypotenuse is always common, side opposite to right angle. So AC is a hypotenuse. Okay. Now, according to question, sec theta is given, no? So just write sec theta is equals to decide trigonometric ratios, we are taking that a small table. Okay. What is the table? Come on. Perpendicular means P, B, P, H, H, B. Very nice. So sin, cos and tan, and the reverse for reciprocal means cot, sec, cosec. Okay. Now what is sec theta in the question? 13/12. And sec is reciprocal of cos, no? So which ratio is given to us? Hypotenuse upon base, correct? For cos we are taking base upon hypotenuse. And for sec it will be hypotenuse upon base. Correct? Now sec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon base. No. So which is hypotenuse in our triangle? AC. So write AC here. Which is base in our triangle is BC. So write BC here. And AC upon BC is given 13/12. Okay. Now in our previous question we had discussed that whenever ratio is given, we can take a positive number k to decide the sides. Correct. So we can write AC as 13k and BC as 12k. Okay. Let's see the diagram again. In our diagram, hypotenuse upon base is given, no? Hypotenuse is 13k and base BC is 12k. Correct? So, what about the third side, AB? Let's solve this. We know it very well. How can we calculate the third side? By applying Pythagoras theorem. Good. So, apply Pythagoras theorem here in triangle ABC. By applying Pythagoras theorem, what is the theorem? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now let's put the values here. AC is 13k. AB we have to calculate. And BC is 12k. correct? Take square of this, it will be 169k square equals to AB square, and square of 12 is 144k square. Now solve it. Transfer 144 that side. We will get 169k square minus 144k square equals to AB square. Okay, when we subtract these two terms, we will get 25k square, correct? Equals to AB square. Now take a square root both the side. 25 square root of 25 is 5. K equals to AB. In this way, AB is known here. Now in our diagram, AB is 5k. Okay, means perpendicular is 5k, base is 12k, hypotenuse is 13k. Now we can calculate all the trigonometric ratios easily. Now let's solve the all trigonometric ratios here. First of all, sin theta. According to a small table, perpendicular upon hypotenuse means AB upon AC. Cos theta, base upon hypotenuse, it means BC upon AC. Third is tan theta, perpendicular upon base, it means AB upon BC. Okay, now they are reciprocal of tan. Cot theta means base upon perpendicular, BC upon AB. Reciprocal of cos is given in the question. Now reciprocal of sin is cosec theta. It's hypotenuse upon perpendicular. From this table also we can decide hypotenuse upon perpendicular is cosec, hypotenuse is AC, and perpendicular is AB. Okay, now what will be our task here? Just put the values of AB, BC and AC here. We'll get all the trigonometric ratios, correct? So let's write it. What is the value of AB? First write it here. AB we had calculated, no? 5k. BC given in the question 12k. And AC also given in the question 13k. Correct? We can also check from the diagram. See, AB is 5k, BC is 12k, hypotenuse is 13k, means AC is 13k. Let's put the values here. 5k upon 13k, answer will be 5 by 13. BC upon AC, 12k upon 13k, answer will be 12 by 13. For 10, AB upon BC, that is 5k upon 12k, it will be 5 by 12. Now reciprocal of 10 is cot, no? So we can directly write 12 upon 5, or by putting the value we'll get 12 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 by 12, correct? Now cosec, AC is 13k, AB is 5k. K and K get cancelled. We'll get 13 by 5. Means see, reciprocal of sine. Sine was 5 by 13. No, it is 13 by 5. Got it? I hope it is clear now. So in this way, by knowing all the three sides, we can decide all the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now in our next lecture, we will solve next problem. Till then, just revise it, and if you have any doubt, you can ask freely. Okay, till then, bye-bye. For more such videos, just subscribe our channel, The True Lesson. Comment us, and for further notification, just hit the bell icon.